Students, in this video we are going to study about preparation of aldehydes from nitriles. The method is Stephan reaction and this method is used only for aldehydes preparation. So what is Stephan reaction? So general reaction is when cyanides are C triple bond N are cyanides or nitriles. When cyanide or nitrile undergoes reduction in presence of SnCl2 with HCl, stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, and further it undergoes acid hydrolysis, it gives its corresponding aldehyde. So how this conversion is takes place? See, C triple bond N cyanide group is converted into aldehyde group. So how it is takes place, I will explain here. So first example of general example of cyanide is RC triple bond N. When it undergoes reduction, it react with two nascent hydrogens supplied by stannous chloride SnCl2 and hydrochloric acid. So actually this SnCl2 stannous chloride when treated with hydrochloric acid HCl, then it form SnCl4 with removal of two nascent hydrogens. So these two nascent hydrogens are used for the reduction of this cyanide. So what happened during the reaction? This one pi bond breaks in between carbon and nitrogen, and one hydrogen added to carbon and other hydrogen added to nitrogen. So we get its intermediate compound, which is RCH triple bond is converted into double bond NH along with this HCl. So with HCl, this is imine hydrochloride. This is imine hydrochloride is formed, which is the intermediate, and finally this imine intermediate is the unstable compound and which further undergoes acid hydrolysis H plus and H2O. So combined with it gives H3O plus. So in presence of H3O plus, the bond breaks from the carbon nitrogen double bond. The bond breaks from here. So the bond breaks from here, and this addition of oxygen takes place to this carbon. So finally here we get RCHO plus the remaining byproduct. So this is NaHCl along with this hydrogen H2O. From this we get NH4Cl. So ammonium chloride is removed as a byproduct. So this is about the acid hydrolysis. After acid hydrolysis, finally we get its corresponding aldehydes. So RCHO means preparation of aldehyde from cyanide. Now if we take its example, first example of cyanide is, I'll take CH3C triple bond N acetonitrile. This is acid group CH3 group along with Cn, means its name is acetonitrile, or its IUPAC name is 2 carbon containing alkane ethane and suffix nitrile is used. So ethane nitrile or methyl cyanide, when it undergoes reduction, Stephan reduction means addition of hydrogen, two nascent hydrogens supplied by SnCl2 stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. So what happened? The triple bond, from the triple bond one pi bond breaks and the hydrogens gets added to the carbon and nitrogen. So here we get its intermediate product CH3CH, triple bond is converted into double bond along with HCl. So this is imine hydrochloride intermediate is formed. This imine hydrochloride intermediate further undergoes addition of water, or simply we can write H3O plus. So this oxygen, the bond breaks from here, and this oxygen gets added to this carbon. So we get CH3CHO plus, the byproduct is NH4Cl. So from acetonitrile we get acetaldehyde. The name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde or ethanol. So ethanol is prepared from ethane nitrile, or acetonitrile is converted into acetaldehyde. So this is about the preparation of aldehyde from cyanide or nitrile. If we take aromatic aldehyde, to get aromatic aldehyde we can take one more example, phenyl cyanide, CH3C6H5CN, or its name is benzonitrile. This is the benzonitrile. Benzonitrile, when undergoes reduction reaction with stannous chloride, this stannous chloride SnCl2 combined with hydrochloric acid, which supply these nascent hydrogens. So addition of hydrogen, one hydrogen gets added to this carbon and other gets added to this nitrogen by breaking pi bond between carbon nitrogen. Triple bond is converted into double bond and we get CH double bond NH HCl along with HCl. This is the imine hydrochloride intermediate is formed, and this imine hydrochloride intermediate further undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. So addition of water takes place, or we can write H3O plus on the arrow. So addition of water means as during this acid hydrolysis the double bond breaks and we get what happened. So finally here we get C6H5CHO, benzaldehyde is formed with the removal of byproduct NH4Cl. So this is about the Stephan reduction reaction. So benzonitrile is converted into benzonitrile when undergoes reduction means addition of two nascent hydrogen supplied by stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. It gives its intermediate product, that is imine hydrochloride, and finally it undergoes acid hydrolysis, gives benzaldehyde plus ammonium chloride. So C6H5 is a benzaldehyde, and by using this Stephan reduction we can prepare only aldehydes from the nitriles. So general reaction is RCN means any alkyl cyanide is converted into RCHO when stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid with acid hydrolysis. If these reagents or catalysts are written on the arrow, then this reaction is Stephan reduction reaction, and by using this Stephan reduction reaction we can prepare only aldehydes. So keep it in